Hello friends, here I am with a quick and healthy dessert recipe, Instant Kalakand in microwave in 2 ways. It's super delicious and melts in mouth in every bite. It's low calorie and high protein dessert, as I'm going to use all fat-free ingredients. If not, you can try with reduced fat ones on a healthier note. You can try the same recipe on stovetop too. Needs more monitoring and more time. Let's get started. Notice that microwave cooking process is same in both ways. Only the ingredients vary. Here is my first way. Take a big microwave safe bowl. Add half a cup ricotta cheese, half a cup condensed milk. You can add little less if you don't like more sweetish. Condensed milk is evaporated milk with added sugar. It will be sweet, so no need of extra sugar. Mix all together well. Now it's ready for microwave. Let's see the second way. In a big bowl, add half a cup ricotta cheese, half a cup evaporated milk. Evaporated milk is little thicker and creamy due to reduced water content. You can also use regular milk instead. Takes little longer time to cook. Add 4 teaspoons sugar for sweetness. Or instead of sugar, you can add 6 sweetener packets or 2 teaspoons sweetener. Mix all ingredients well. Now it's ready for microwave. Let's see microwave cooking process. So the key is to cook without lid first time and with lid rest of the times as mix starts to splutter while thickening. And keep reducing the timer until crumbles up. First microwave for 4 minutes. It starts thickening a little. Mix once and cover with microwave safe lid. Or you can also use kitchen napkin. Next microwave for 3 minutes. As you see, it thickens even more. Mix well through the edges. Microwave again for 2 minutes with lid. It will solidify to crumbles. If not, microwave another 1 to 2 minutes extra. Let it cool down a little. Now take a parchment paper. Apply little ghee. Spread it along. Place the kalakand mix and shape it on edges. Garnish with finely chopped nuts. Slice into pieces. Refrigerate 10 minutes and serve chilled. Hope you enjoy my mouth-watering instant kalakand recipe with your family. See you again with many more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.